Hey doc, my vagina is smelling different. Can you just check once? This is how some patients come to my clinic. So let's talk today about vaginal odor and know more about it. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Malvika Appasani, cosmetic and functional gynecologist, Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. It's very important to know that vagina has a natural odor for itself. This vagina is an organ or a part in our body which is almost exposed to exterior. So to protect itself from any harmful bacteria, it's maintained at an acidic pH via through some good bacteria which are present in the vagina. Along with this good bacteria, there are some fluid secretions in the vagina. Altogether, these produce a natural odor to the female. So this natural vaginal odor can be changed even because of some dietary changes also. Like some food like garlic, onion or even coffee might change the vaginal odor. And sometimes indulging alcohol might make this odor stronger by causing dehydration in the body. There are also some food which improve the vaginal odor, like fruits like pineapple, watermelon or cranberries, and some fresh yogurt and some spices like cinnamon. Via all these food, the blood sugars are maintained well. The yogurt improves the probiotic, furthermore increasing the good bacteria in the vagina. So like this, by causing a good health, maintaining a good health and improving the good bacteria, they improve the vaginal odor of a female. So this vaginal odor or smell can change if there is any disturbance in this good bacteria present in the vagina, which will further disturb the vaginal pH, like some infections. In infections, there might be a foul smelling odor, there might be fishy odor, or even a fruity odor in some fungal infections, or even there might be metallic odor through menstruation, because the blood or the iron in the blood will cause this metallic odor. And furthermore, in post-menopausal women who don't have any hormones, like even the estrogen, everything has subsided in them, they'll have a dry vagina and there is absolutely no good bacteria present in this vaginal lining because of lack of hormones. This will finally disturb the pH and cause a foul smelling or little rottenish odor in a post-menopausal woman. So again, it's very simple. To maintain this vaginal odor, it's very important to maintain vaginal hygiene. Like during menstruation, it's very important to keep the vulval part clean and use intimate washes. And to prevent infections, it's very important to use cotton breathable panties and not use any sprays or any powders which disrupt this environment or cause disruption in acidic pH in the vagina, furthermore causing change in the odor. If you feel this video was informative, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any further doubts, please mention below so that we can revert back to you. And do not forget to press bell icon to get any further notification.